Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made my puffy sleeves. Okay, if this is something that you are interested on, keep on watching. So if you're my returning subscriber, you are welcome, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Rag. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly do so, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to have two pieces of fabric that represent your two sleeves, and it has to be on fold. Okay, so the length you're going to cut out for is, if your sleeve is 22 or 23, you're going to cut a length of 27 or 28 inches. And then the width you're going to use, you're going to take the circumference of the sleeve. After you join your shoulder together, then you take the round circumference of that armhole, then use it to fold your pieces, and then you add your joining allowance. Whatever thing you get, you use it to cut out the fabric. Okay, then with extra 2 inches allowance in case of anything that you need to do. Okay, now that we have got this part, and the next thing, now I'm going to start by I'm going to create my starting point. Okay, so from this starting point here, I'm going to mark 4 inches below for the cap height that I'm going to use to pleat out my shoulder tip. Okay, so if you're intending to have a full gather on your shoulder tip, then you're going to mark like 6 inches. But if you want to have it like how mine is, then mark 4 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to, from this line here where I mark my 4 inches top, I'm going to start taking my normal cap height sleeves. Okay, my sleeve cap height, okay, which is 4.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to mark 4.5 inches here, and I'm going to repeat this line twice so that I will have a straight line. Okay, so next I'm going to take the length of my sleeve, and it's going to start from this line. Okay, not the first line, is going to be from the second line. Okay, so the length of my sleeve I have here is 22.5 inches, and then the length of my band is going to be 3 inches. So this 22.5 inches is more than enough for my sleeve length. Okay, and then I'm going to use 0.5 to join my band back to my sleeve, so that is more than enough. So I don't need to take additional measurement again. So now I'm going to impute my armhole length. Okay, my armhole length is 8 inches. Okay, that is what I just marked here. So next I'm going to connect from this where I mark my 8 inches top. I'm going to place my ruler like this and connect a straight line. So now we are going to draft the sleeves. Okay, we are drafting the armhole part. So I need to find out the midpoint of this line. Okay, so the midpoint of this line is 4.6 inches. Okay, so I'm going to mark my 4.6 inches here. So I still need to find the midpoint between that 4.6 inches to here. Okay, so all this line that I'm marking is going to help me when I'm going to create my curve. Okay, so you should do this, so please pay attention to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to find all the midpoint here. So basically that is it. So the next thing, now I'm going to get my curve rule to create my curve. Okay, I'm not getting exactly curve that I want, so I have to turn it to this side. Okay, so now I can now connect my curve to create my curve. So this is something you can do with your free hand. If you don't have this ruler, okay, you can just do it with your free hand. Trust me, you will still get it right. So I connect it to this midline. Okay, this curve, I make this curve to stop here. So from the upper line here, the extra allowance that I kept, so I'm going to just use my free hand to connect it to meet to that middle line. Okay, this middle line that you see. Okay, so this line here, the lower line, so connect it to meet with the middle line, and then I'm going to use my curve rule to blend the line so that you can see it proper. Okay, now that I'm done from here now, so let's move ahead to the lower part. So next, now I'm going to take my the circumference of my ribs, okay, I have a 7 inches. So if you are looking at to have a very puffy sleeves, you're going to add 2 inches to that your round rib circumference, okay. If you have 7 inches, add like 2 inches extra so that you have more puffiness on the rib side, okay. So I made a mistake here. I just minus 1 inch from my round sleeve circumference. That is my round rib circumference. So yeah, don't do the mistake. So now that I connect this line together here, I'm going to add 0.5 inch joining allowance all round, okay. So now that I'm done, the next now I'm going to cut out all the wanted part that I don't need. So before you separate them, make sure you notch, okay. I made a mistake, okay. I supposed to notch it before I separate them. So you have to notch them so that when you're going to pleat, it's going to guide you to know when you're going to start your pleating. So for my normal cap height length, okay, from this line here where you see me touching, okay, I'm going to notch that part because this is where my pleating is going to start from. You're going to fold it, okay, like you see me doing, and then you're going to notch it like so. If you want, you can also notch the upper part, but I didn't notch mine. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start by pleating it, okay? I'm going to pleat it so that I can go back to my sewing machine. So this is how I did the first one, okay? This is how I pleat the first one. So I'm going to show you how I did the second one, okay? So you're going to spread your sleeve like you see me doing, okay? And then you're going to start from the part where you make that notch, okay? That is where I'm going to start by pleating it. So I hope you get all my explanation. I hope this was simple or this was clear for you to follow. If you don't understand my explanation or understand what I'm saying, but at least by looking at it from the picture or from the video, you should be able to understand exactly what I'm doing, right? If you do, thank you. Okay. So if you find anything difficult, please leave your comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell, okay? So you will get notified when a new tutorial will be dropping. So this is how it's looking like already. As you can see, the sleeve is already looking, it's already showing up, showing how it's going to look on already on my shirt, right? I haven't even stitched it already. As you can see, it's only pinned. I pin it, but look at how pretty it's looking like. Okay, so the next thing now, I'm going to get my shirt or my bodice so I can join my sleeve together. So I'm going to place it the right side facing the right side, okay? Find the midpoint of your sleeves and then place it to direct to the shoulder where the two shoulder join in, okay? So that the two shoulder, the front pieces and the back pieces of your bodies are your midpoint or your guideline when you come to join your sleeve together, okay? So I'm going to start now by pinning this round so I can go back to my sewing machine to join it, okay, to join my sleeve. So if you haven't seen the tutorial of the shirt, click on the description box, the link is there, okay? So you go and go and watch it, okay? It's very interesting and actually it's well detailed to follow. So yes. So now that I'm done pinning this, the next thing now is to go and join it. So just take a look at it. I haven't even stitched this thing down, you know. But as you can see, it's actually looking like see, it's really looking so nice, seriously. So now I'm going to join the sleeve to my body. So that is what I'm doing right now. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings. So once I'm done joining my sleeve to my bodice, I will head back to my cutting table to fix in my band, okay? So this is my band I'm going to fix into my sleeves. So I made a detailed tutorial where I explained how to cut out the band and how I joined my band to my shirt. So if you haven't seen the tutorial, click on the link on the description box. You're going to see the tutorial for this shirt, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel and if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, okay? And share my video, please. Share this video, please. Share this video. Also, you follow me on my Instagram account at Julia Rag, and my Facebook at Julia Rag, my TikTok account at Julia Rag if you want to, so you can be updated for any new tutorial that I'm going to be dropping, okay? So I usually drop my update date first before I post it here on YouTube, okay? So yeah, like I said, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you're yet to do so, and then turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out, okay? So thank you so much once again for watching, and stay tuned, okay, for new tutorial, because there are some interested tutorial that I'm going to be dropping here. All right, so yeah, basically I will go and join my band, and that will be it for this tutorial. So this is how it's looking like, okay? To be honest, the shirt tutorial is really great. If you haven't seen it, like I said, check it out, okay? You will love it. So this is how my sleeve is looking like, and to be honest, I love it. I don't know about you. If you do, give the video a thumbs up. So I will see you on my next tutorial, okay? Have a lovely day. Have a wonderful week ahead, okay? Yeah. Bye.